wild horses. We can all picture them from movies and TV. Wild, majestic beasts out running on the plains. The cowboys in the background trying to catch them, but they can never truly be tamed. These are wild, majestic animals. They are a staple of a bygone age. Or so we may think. In 2020, the fact is that we still have wild horses in Alberta, and they've become a pest. They're a pest because they destroy rangeland and forage that could be better used by other animals, such as deer, or our own domesticated animals, such as cattle. In 2018, the population of wild horses in Alberta was estimated to be over 1,000, and that number continues to climb due to the fact that they have no natural predators in North America. Having no natural predators in North America allows them to breed incredibly quickly. Their population grows completely unchecked. Every year it increases. They destroy natural resources with no economical gain. The forage and rangeland that could be better used in other places cannot be because these animals destroy it. Not just use it, like proper managed cattle would, but ultimately destroy. Soil and plant health and diversity goes down in places where wild horses are present. It's an unfortunate truth about these animals. So far, the only thing that the government has done to regulate their population is through capture programs run by the Wild Horses of Alberta Society, where they try to capture them, tame them, and make them adoptable for use as either pets or as working animals. But the fact is, many of these horses are unadoptable. They are not able to be tamed properly, and as a result, many of them remain in the care of the WHOAS forever. This is a very expensive process when they are stuck with them. A study done in Nebraska says that it costs between $900 and $1,100 to keep a horse in activity every year for the rest of its life. The hundreds of horses that the WHOAS takes on, it's a mind-boggling number, and they cannot afford to capture and keep all of these horses. Another idea that's been brought forward by the WHOAS is that they could dart the mares and such with contraceptives, essentially bringing their populations down that way. Unfortunately, studies done have shown that that is a relatively ineffective way to deal with horses, as it's nearly impossible to get proper dosage on them every year. And as a result, many will go either untreated or treated too many times, which puts them at risk. So what I propose we do, it's a sad truth, but the only thing I can see that would actually affect these species is an annual cull. If we cull the animals to keep their populations to around 700 to 800 every year, that's a sustainable number. That's the only number that the rangelands can sustain before we run out of cattle and we run out of time to save these animals. Ultimately, they are a detriment to themselves. They will choke off all animals, not just including themselves. This option, as gruesome and unfortunate as it is the only option that is effective, sustainable, and economical. Thank you.